How to change chat theme and color on Messenger. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change color and chat theme on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app. Now go to chats and open the chat. Now let's say you wanna change the color theme of your conversation right here. Tap on this right here and you can see theme right here, right? Tap on this theme. Now from here you will get variety of themes. You can choose any from here. Okay, let me choose this one. Choose it. Now once you choose it, tap on select, and just like that you can change the theme on the Messenger. You can also set the quick reaction from here. Okay, let me choose this one. As you can see, your theme and quick reaction has been customized. Just like this, you can customize any theme from here. And just tap on done and your theme will be changed. Once you go back, you can see the theme has been changed on this conversation. And that's it. Just repeat the same process for any other chats where you want to change the theme to. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.